Can't remember when you weren't there, when I didn't care for anyone but you. I swear we've been through everything there is. Can't imagine anything we've missed. Can't imagine anything the two of us can't do through the years.
So Kenny Rogers, a musical icon. He is known for the songs through the years. You decorated my life as we sang the through the years. I hope we made you happy, ma'am. So Kenny Rogers, a musical icon. Kenny Rogers originated from Houston, Texas. Born on August 21, 1938, he began his music career in the late 1950s. His crossover country style sold over 100 million records worldwide. This presentation explores his journey, impact, and lasting legacy in music and entertainment.
So his early career from jazz to pop. Jazz beginning started with the Bobby Dolly 3, an early jazz group. So he started with that. Then folk and rock. Joined the new Christie Minstrels, later formed the first edition. So through his journey, he started off from joining groups, then up to his first single, the rock and pop hit Just Dropped In to See What My Condition Was his hit single wherein he was brought to fame.
International fame. Countries of fame. United States, Canada, United Kingdom, Australia, the Philippines. Global reach. Popular across Europe and many Asian countries.
Crossover success, pop chart dominance. Major collaborations. Teamed with Lionel Richie and Dolly Parton for timeless hits. Top hits, Lady. Islands in the Stream. She Believes in Me. And You Decorated My Life. Achievements. Multiple platinum albums and chart-topping singles worldwide.
Acting career, TV and film. The Gambler series was one of his a few series wherein he started off as acting. Starred in 6 TV movie based on the hit song from 1980 to 1994. Other appearances, he featured in various films and television projects. He also got hosting roles from the show Real West on A&E, expanding his media presence that mm, um, made more fame for him. But what really made him famous is his business ventures beyond music.
Business ventures beyond music. Restaurant chain. Founded Kenny Rogers Roosters in 1991, reaching 425 stores worldwide. Even the Philippines, we have
Kenny Rogers.
Roasters.
investments. Engage in real estate and diverse business ventures. Entrepreneurship, known for blending creativity with savvy business acumen.
So even though Kenny Rogers started off with fame through music, he all this aspects shows that he is also a very creative man from going from fame into business, such as the very famous Kenny Rogers that roasters that we love to have.
Reasons for fame.
Oh. Distinctive voice, recognizable and emotive vocal style captivated audience globally. Powerful storytelling, songs touch on love, struggles, and redemption, resonating deeply. Charismatic personality, consistent media presence, and charm help sustain worldwide popularity.
So because of his charisma, he became famous. It is one of the reasons why he became famous, and also because of his good voice. When you listen to his music, you can feel his emotions, and you can feel the love.
And the content towards the music he makes in that molds one song captivating other hearts from the story it tells and what the reason behind it becomes.
Conclusion: a lasting impact. So he sold over 100 million records worldwide. So he played a successful six-part television series, The Gambler. Um, Also, he has an iconic hit in 1980, a collaboration with Lionel Richie, the song "Lady," and in 2020, sadly, he passed away. So at the age of 81. So Kenny Rogers remains a beloved icon with a lasting musical and cultural legacy. And as we all know that his legacy um stays with us because many people still listen to his songs. Many people still remember him. So that would be all for Kenny Rogers.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.